Hi, I'm Mike Gogal from the Environmental Committee, and today we want to talk about sapling cages. What we want to do is try and preserve some of the trees that are already growing in our neighborhood instead of going ahead and buying new trees to plant. Right now the Environmental Committee is selling these cages. They are $10 each, and you can order them through a form on our website. So when you receive your cages, after you've ordered them, and you can order 1 or 3 or 5, as many as you ordered will come wrapped together like this. They're pre-cut, but they have not been assembled yet because it's much easier to transport them this way. You'll also receive one single post for each cage you've ordered. So we have 3 posts and 3 cages. So let's take a look at how to put these cages together. First thing we want to do is just separate a single cage, and I like to bring it up onto a table because it makes it much easier to work with. And what I'm going to do is take the bottom end, and there'll be a little loose piece of wire, and I'm going to wrap this around the cage to lock it together. Go to the middle, 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down 4 more. And then finally, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4 again, we're at the end of the cage, and we just wrap this together. And we're ready to go cage our tree. So to cage our tree, I'm going to take my cage as well as one of the posts and my hammer, and let's go find a tree. Now, right here, we have a little baby red oak that I want to protect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cage and I'm going to place it so that it centers around the tree. Now, I'm going to take the post, and at the point where the seam where the 2 ends of the cage meet, I'm going to take the post and line it up right there, directly against the cage, and start pounding it in. And I'm going to put it so that it goes just below the top of the cage. That way the cage is protecting from you getting poked. Now that we've aligned this, we have a little extra post, and I'm just going to wrap it around here so it locks around the post. And then also down towards the bottom, midway to the bottom, I'm going to do that again. And just by doing that, you can see how sturdy that is. Now that we've wrapped it on both the top and the bottom, it is secure and won't go anywhere. For now, I'm Mike Gogal, and thanks for watching.